Okay, so let's have a look. We've got an image. Find the image below the heading Photos of Taj Mahal and add the objects. You can see I've got the image here as shown below next to the image. So we've got two objects here. We've got this arrow and we've got the words splendid workmanship. Now it says add the objects, so clearly they're not just wanting us to just type splendid workmanship in here and start tabbing or putting space bars to get it, or even aligning it to get it lined up here. They're actually wanting this to be an object. So let's have a look at what our two objects can be. So if we're going to insert, then we're going to insert an object. So let's have a look at the shapes. That should be fairly easy. So we look at shapes, we should have arrows. Here's the block arrows. Get one the right way. Click that one and then we'll try and get it exactly the right size. You can see it's not quite the right shape. Sorry, right colour. Get it in the right place more or less. Get it more or less the right size. It doesn't give the exact numbers, but we should try and get it the right size. You'll notice as well when I select that I also get a format ribbon, so I can start using that. Clearly the shape fill here is white, so I can put in white or even clear. Also you can see the outline is black, so we need to go to the outline is black. Now I look at that and I feel, looking at those two, that this one is slightly thicker, so I'm going to select it again, go to the outline, move to weight and just make that a little bit thicker, so it's 1.5 points. So I think I've got that more or less right. So now we're just looking at the splendid workmanship part of it. So let's have a look at what we need to insert there. So if we're going to put text that we can move around a page, we need to use the text box. So what I'm going to do here, rather than using one of the built-in text boxes, I'm actually going to draw my own text box and then I can put it in the right place. So I'll draw it here and then I need to type. So it's splendid workmanship. Right, got this not quite long enough, so let me just make it a bit bigger. So you can see this and you can see that. Now again, you can see there isn't a box around this one, so I need to make sure I move that box, excuse me, so I don't have an outline. So I say no outline, so now I can see splendid workmanship. And again, looking at it, it looks like it's just a little bit too small, so I'm going to press Control and the square bracket and make that a little bit bigger. I think that's more or less right. Should, oh, maybe a little bit bigger still. Let's just go crazy. Right, there we go. Splendid workmanship. Looks like it's more or less correct. I think the font looks more or less correct as well, so let's just put that there. Splendid workmanship. I think that's full.